Now back to the setting, we go General. Here we can see the list of General. The first one is Apps. We go to Apps, we can see all apps here. And about data time, we can set automatic time obtained via network. We can be active 24 hours. And back to language keyboard. Here we change language and keyboard language. Just choose what you want. In home applications, note homepage apps quantity should be within range of 4 to 7. And wallpaper, here just choose what you want. About image enhancement, here we have 3 modes: natural, standard, and automate. Now image enhancement is activated. And about screensaver, we can choose 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, and never. And we set here never. And about assisted touch is infrared flame. We can activate it. And the last one is dehumidifying. It's recommended to enable this function if in relatively humid environments.